Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we're going to go over how you would change your clock on your Toyota Camry. So say your clock gone off. This is pretty easy, and you just have to you can hit the hour button, but you got to hold it a little bit to move it up to 1. You can't just tap them, they don't move there, but set your time that you would like it to be. And that's for the hours on the left hand side. On the right hand side is your minutes. And set it to the time you would like to be. You know, a lot of times, I mean, if you go through a different time zone or time change, that's where you can change it. Other times, you know, if you've disconnected the battery because you're doing maintenance or you replace the battery, your clock will need to be reset. And so that's how you would reset your clock or set your clock on your Toyota Camry. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.